we're here today to celebrate our year-end and Christmas party, and I hope everyone is feeling well, everyone is happy, and then I wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yay! Thank you, Ma'am Pinky. So before we continue with our exciting program, let's take this moment to enjoy a delicious meal. So mga utataon na guys. Yes. So ang mag-angkot na ito ang pagkaon. Ang isa na to? Mga una ta, alin ang dari?
Diretso na.